true art of insulation is foam insulation. It's in your roof. And when you go to parties, you just had a kitchen. You're going to talk about your great kitchen. And you're going to talk about your bathroom. And you're going to talk about your open living room. Everybody's going to talk about all the pretty stuff. Have you ever been to a party where somebody talks about their foam insulation?
No.
There's only one person.
You do?
Yes, that when you go to his house, we did an ESPN zone in his basement, and he'll take in his attic.
Yeah.
Because that's what we really hit a home run with him.
Yeah, it's not glamorous, but it's important. Yeah.
I know, it's just not popular. How do we make foam, energy, and all these things popular? When you go buy an appliance, the first thing you say, is it Energy Star?
Yeah.
First thing you do when you go buy a new car, what's the miles per gallon?
Yeah.
When you're buying a new house, people, get the energy bills. You'll be mind-boggled, especially if the house is bigger. You think you can afford a mortgage, but you can't afford to heat and cool it. Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.